Dirt Fishman here again, y'all. It's another little video me and my son wants to do. All right, he wants to show you his Jeep. Show him. Show me Jeep. He calls it his Jurassic Park Jeep. All right, y'all. We're gonna open up a few cars for y'all on this Christmas weekend right here. Yeah, I just want to make a video and tell everybody Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And hope everybody's Christmas is blessed. All right.
You can put
let's
this
turn it around and put it on the turner. And
you can put a card in that Jeep if you want, and that Jeep will drive over to me in a scary package.
And of course, my turner's making a noise again. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that thing there. Eventually it'll quit. All right, let's turn this thing around and we'll open up some cars.
Beep, beep.
All right, baby. You ready?
Yes.
Let me turn it to the turner. Slide this back.
Beep, beep,
Slide the turner up. There we go. All right, y'all. First, we'll open up the 70s van.
I'm going to put my plastic Jeep.
All right, stand
I'm
to the side.
going to put my camouflage Jeep right there.
Right, there you go. Open it up for him. Yeah, throw it down. There we go.
That could be a car.
All right.
We can put trash in this.
No, put the trash on the ground, baby.
And it would dump it on the ground.
Put the trash on the ground, you may hit the camera. All right, while down there is on the turner, the numbers van. We're going to open up this right here.
Do you know that's an ice cream van?
Yeah, here you go,
It's
baby.
an ice cream truck.
Here you go.
And
Throw that blister down.
you tell them how much ice cream do you want.
How much ice cream they want?
Yes.
That's an ice cream van.
Yes.
Open it up.
And they can tell how much ice cream they want.
How much ice cream they want.
Yes.
This is another red color. I like this color here on that.
The Jeep's leaving.
The Jeep's leaving.
Yes, my Jeep is.
All right, there's on the turn, y'all. We're going to open up the Ford Escort RS 2000.
You know, it's a Ford.
Mm-hmm. Here you go. Open it up. Yeah, get it. Let's put these Jeeps right here.
It was fixing to leave.
All right, come on.
It was fixing to leave.
It was fixing to leave.
Yes.
I called it.
That's you.
And there goes the Ford. All right, up next, we're going to open the, this is a 1970 Plymouth Barracuda, part of the Matchbox 65th anniversary. Pretty cool. Here you go, baby. You know how Matchbox is hard. Here you go.
Why is it?
I don't know. Some Matchboxes are easy and some of them are hard. No, but you gotta tear some more of it off. There we go. That'll come out now. All right.
What number is it?
65, baby, for 65th anniversary of Matchbox. You got a CUDA. Nice one. Well, there's on the turn, y'all. Open up the 81 Camaro.
I'm gonna put my Jeep by the
The Super for that case right here.
I'm gonna put my Jeep by this on. I put my Jeep by that orange
Here you go.
racing car.
The orange racing car.
Yes, right there.
Okay. Well, there's on turn, y'all. We're going to open up the Lotus Imprint.
The
Lotus.
Jeep.
It's a Lotus, baby.
What kind of Lotus is it?
I don't know, but open it up and see.
It's a Nissan one.
No, it ain't a Nissan. It's just a Lotus, baby. That's their brand. All right, give me the car.
What noise is that?
All right, y'all. There goes the Lotus.
The AC on that car you had picked up?
Yeah. Okay, y'all. Next, we're going to open up the 71 Dodge Challenger from the Mopar collection.
The Mopar collection?
Yeah, Mopar's Dodge.
What is it, Dodge?
That's what they do, baby. That's their name for them. Up next in the Mopar one I got, y'all, is a 2008 custom Dodge Challenger RST8.
Dodge.
Yep, the Dodge Mopar.
A Mopar
That
Dodge?
didn't. Right, here you go, baby. Get your hands in there and tear it open. Ooh, that wind is kicking outside, y'all. Blowing some cold air in here. This is cold for South Georgia. I think we in the 40s and 30s right now. Come on, baby. Open it up. Come on.
That has the AC on the real airplane. I think that's the AC on the airplane.
Alright, y'all, up next of the Dodges, we got the 2000 Dodge Viper GTS-R.
Wow, I fell.
Got the Viper on the...
Where's the Papa? Where's the Papa?
It's a Viper, baby.
Where's the Papa? Where's the Papa?
Yeah, the Viper is a sports car, baby, Dodge made. Yeah.
I just take it out.
There you go. Dump it in my hand. There we go.
I put it in your hand.
Yeah.
Like that.
Check it out, y'all. Got the old snake on it.
Where's the sink at?
You don't see it right there, baby, on the corner panel? I'll show you when I get it off. Up next, y'all, we're going to open up the Volta. I can't even pronounce it. I probably butchered it bigger than I'll get it, but there goes the name of it, y'all, right there.
It's 94.
There you go.
It's 94.
34, baby.
44?
34,
There's a 3 and a 4 on it.
See, baby, the snake right there?
Yes.
Alright, y'all, that there's open. I'm going to open up a treasure hunt car real quick, y'all. The 58 Impala.
That's a Chevrolet.
Yeah, it's a Chevrolet Impala. It's a Focus right there by the front tire is the symbol.
Where's the symbol at?
Right by that tire. Yeah, open it up.
I see a symbol now.
Yeah. You see it right there, baby? Right there.
Yes. Boom.
So I'm gonna go up there, y'all, with my treasure hunts for these years, and I find them. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for our little video. Let me turn this thing around so we can tell y'all bye. All right, you ready, baby?
Bye.
Come on.
Bye. Bye.
All right, y'all. Like I said in the beginning of the video, y'all, Merry Christmas to y'all from my family. Hope y'all have a blessed and happy New Year's too, y'all. Dirt Fisherman out.